Prince Harry regretting his ignorance as visa court case looms, claims royal expert. According to a royal analyst, Prince Harry may be regretting his open admissions as a legal storm builds around allegations from his memoir. The disclosures made by the Duke of Sussex in his controversial memoir Spare have prompted legal action from the Heritage Foundation, which is requesting information regarding his application for a US visa. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any news about the British monarchy. According to the conservative think tank, Harry, 39, either got special treatment from US authorities or lied on his visa application about his prior drug usage. Harry revealed his earlier encounters with drugs like cocaine, magic mushrooms, and cannabis in his book, according to the Mirror. According to royal author Tom Quinn, Harry is now regretting his ignorance in light of the upcoming legal dispute. He declared, as the court case approaches, Harry will be deeply regretting his inexperience and naivety, a court case that could provide serious challenges for him. It's another example of where royals always rely on other people to make decisions for them, because when they make decisions for themselves, they often get it wrong, and Spare was very much Harry trying to be his own man and messing up. 3 years after receiving approval for his permanent residency in the US, Harry's memoir Spare, which was published in 2023, contained a confession of drug use, especially cocaine, that incited outrage. In an attempt to find out if the Duke of Sussex lied to officials when submitting his visa application, the Heritage Foundation has now filed a lawsuit. Meanwhile, the Department of Homeland Security is withholding the records on privacy grounds. Quinn speculates that the prince might be experiencing anxiety as the litigation continues in Washington, D.C. He might receive special treatment, but his status in the United States could be jeopardized by his upcoming court case, he continued. If the information he provided on his immigration forms is inconsistent with his statements in Spare, he can possibly be asked to leave the country. Harry is extremely agitated out, but as always, he has enlisted the best solicitors money can buy, say the couple's pals. Quinn said that Harry was being naive by being open about his drug use in his book and failing to anticipate the possible issues with his visa. It would never have occurred to Harry that being really open about his drug use in Spare might lead to problems with his US visa application, said Quinn. He's incredibly naive, having grown up in a world where everything is done for you and you are automatically given advice and lent on to do the right thing. The royal analyst has placed the blame on Meghan Markle for giving Prince Harry a renewed sense of confidence that resulted in his shocking memoir disclosures. But with Meghan, he found all of a sudden that he could make decisions about what to say and do without consulting anyone but his wife, and he made a mistake, he stated. He found the freedom exhilarating but didn't realize it was also dangerous, and he may now pay the price. The Heritage Foundation activists are making a further effort to get access to Prince Harry's visa records after US Ambassador Jane Hartley stated that the Duke will not be deported under President Joe Biden's administration. In reaction to former President Donald Trump's announcement that he would deport Harry and any other person found to have lied on their visa application, the statement was released. After releasing her line of jams, Meghan Markle appears to be moving towards creating an empire as an influencer, according to a royal expert. Kinsey Schofield, a royal analyst, speculated that this would be a change from her initial plans following her separation from the royal family in 2020 with Prince Harry. "I think she's trying to build an empire," she stated to GB News. "I'm not sure if she originally intended to leave the British royal family with that intention." Speaking on how the couple was received in the US, Schofield said that the majority of people have an issue with them. She questioned whether Meghan and Harry needed to pursue opportunities like working with Netflix to produce content, which seemed to span reality TV and gardening and culinary material.